Hi, good morning. Not good afternoon yet, it's good morning still. I'm Patrick Johnston with Dominican Life. Here, of course, now in Cabarete, in the beautiful north coast of the Dominican Republic. This morning I'm going to show you a tour of all the cool beach restaurants and bars on the beach here in Cabarete. So, are you ready? They're not open, so everyone's nice and calm still, but let's go see what's happening here in Cabarete. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to do this tour here. It's going to be really cool. But first of all, we're right at the beginning of the east end of Cabarete Beach. Right here is a water sports shop, gear, etc. right here. But this right in front, this is a high-end cocktail bar. Now, if you like great quality cocktails, handmade cocktails, heavy glass, really fine quality stuff, not the all-inclusive stuff, but real quality stuff, this is where you want to be. And good or bad, I've spent many nights here, and it's always fun. It's called the Drifter Beach Bar. Now, most of the restaurants are closed right now in the morning. Some are open for coffee, but it's a good time to sort of see everything that's going around. There's still lots of opportunity for development down here as well. There's a couple of beach lots, sort of like this one, and there's one further that are for sale. If anybody wants to just become the Tom Cruise cocktail guy,
I love
this is
you.
what you want to do. Here you are. This location is called Mojitos, not to be confused with the Mojitos that was in Las Terrenas, but this is probably world famous. You name it. I mean, it goes with its name. It has about 30 different mojitos. Great restaurant for sit down. Always hanging bananas. You've seen some of those in my Facebook photos, of course, and of course ice cold beer, which is always appreciated down here. Now, the next bar we went to last night, it's called Ojo. There's two of them side by side. We had dinner here last night, Lucien, the videographer, and I, and his son. Kind of cool about this place, this is brand new, like literally a couple of months old. It was another restaurant that they refabbed. What he's doing right now here is, this was a candle Christmas tree. Now they're taking all the wax off of it from the holidays. But we had a great chicken schnitzel here last night. And I remember having two quality Brugal Reserve rum, so I remember that part. Anyway, great dining facilities. In terms of nightlife, this property here, Ojo, is the #1 dance club on the beach here in Cabarete. It's a 2-level club. It's always funky. It always has cool people in it. You can come here for dinner or cocktails before dinner. And then late night till typically 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been here for both, so it's a great spot to come and visit. Voi Voi is the next one. It's been around for 150 years. Just kidding, but very close to that. It's right beside another surf shop here. I believe it's called Vela, which is the windsurf shop. And it's an awesome place to be. And you really can't beat the quality and style of different restaurants here on Cabarete Beach. You really can't. You have probably 20 or 30 different restaurants to choose from, and everything is, comparably priced. You can have everything from fresh seafood and pasta to burgers and more. This is Kahuna. Kahuna, again, one of the standards here on the beach in Cabarete. It's been here many, many years. But it has a great atmosphere during the day. They have happy hour specials, etc. They have beachside service, so if you're here for the day, you can sit in a beach chair, order lunch, or post-beach, come back for cocktails and dinner if you want to have more of a relaxed atmosphere. As we continue down the road, we're going to come into Brasa Mar. This property, many years it's been here. Of course, they're not open during the day right now in the morning, but again, I think you get the picture of the relaxed atmosphere, the casualness of this entire town, because Cabarete is formed based on what I call energy, the youthful atmosphere, youthful attitude, and of course, anything to do with the surf and the water. Originally known for windsurfing in the 80s, that's how old I am, but then kite surfing literally took over. And during the afternoon when the wind is at the peak between say 2 and 5 o'clock, you'll have hundreds and hundreds of kite surfers here on the beach, which is great. Always makes for great photo and video. Even if you can't do any of the water sports, it's here for you. Let's see, we got Poppy, which has been here for a while. This is a new one that they're trying to renovate and get open. I don't know what it's going to be called. This one is, I forgot the name of this one, but it's been here not that long, but it's like an Asian infusion restaurant, Asian fusion restaurant. Over the last couple of years, they also put up, which is quite good from a tourism perspective and safety perspective, they put up lifeguard stands down the beach. Even the lifeguard stands kind of match the flavor and the atmosphere here. So if you, Cabarete Beach, which is also down at the end called Kite Beach, is also great for just exercise, walking in the morning. You'll see people around my age, in their 40s and early 50s, doing the exercise in the morning. But that was here. Here is one that was world famous for 100 years. It used to be called Jose O'Shea's, which was the only Irish pub on the beach in Cabarete. It's no longer here, but for those that know Cabarete, you know what Jose O'Shea's location was. He then became Rocky's Aqua, and now it's closed, unfortunately. But it was always a great location. They had Super Bowl. One of the greatest St. Patrick's Day parties in the Dominican Republic was always there. And here's a couple of different shuttered restaurants that, of course, during the pandemic, not everyone has made it. But they will be reborn in time because you can't get this valuable real estate anywhere. Then we're going to head down to some pizza restaurants because pizza on the beach in the Dominican is what you do for lunch. And of course ice cream, and of course burgers, and of course pasta. But there's always fun things to do down here, which is cool. Are you getting the vibe? I hope you're watching this at work in your work cubicle and thinking, oh, I miss the beach. The beach is calling my name. This is Pomodoro. Pomodoro is world famous. Why is it world famous? It has some of the greatest pasta pizza. And my business partner, Steven, come this way. He loves it because for many, many years, he would come here every single day, he tells me, for their gelato. And Steve, if you're watching, I know you're going to know this is true, but they have great gelato here every day. And the same lady that served him 10 or 12 years ago is still here working, which is kind of cool. Now, in here, you have a variety of shops, different little small bistros and restaurants, but it gives that kind of colonial European flavor to it. Everything from just a beer stand, serves draft beer, to natural food products and ice cream and gelatos. There's an apart hotel on each side, on the upper side of this, and more. So this is the flavor of Cabarete. It always speaks to my mind because it represents just the most relaxed, non-all-inclusive beach town, which is what I love. Very similar to Las Terrenas, Cabarete has that casual feel. So hope you're having a great day today. I'm Patrick Johnston. Go Caribbean Living, go Caribbean Life, go Dominican Life. Talk to you soon.